Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and you are watching As the Reader. Today is day 52 of my English practice journey and today's subject is accounts. Accounts play a very important role in every business organizations and even in our personal life. Without the proper accounting, no business can run smoothly. And accounts helps us records, classify and summarize financial transactions. Every time a business earns income or spend money, it's must to record it properly. This helps the business owner understand where the money is coming from and where it is going. Accounting gives us clear financial picture of the business. One of the main purpose of accounts is the financial control. When all transactions are recorded, it is become easy to control expenses. A business can avoid unnecessary spending and manage its budget properly. Good accounting helps in planning for a future. Accounts are also important for a decision making. Financial statements like profit and loss accounts and balance sheet helps management make a correct decision. For example, a company can decide whether to expand the business or reduce cost. Many analyze finance data. Another important aspect of accounts is a profit calculation. Every business want to know whether it is making a profit or loss. Accounting helps calculate profit accurately by comparing income and expenses. The information is essential for a business growth. Accounts also helps in tax compliance in India. Businesses must file GST return, TDS returns, and income tax returns on time. Proper accounting ensures that all tax related information is correct and updated. It helps avoid penalties and legal problems. As the accountant, I understand the importance of the accurate tax record. Accounting is also useful for investors and lenders. Banks and investors check a financial statement before giving loans or investing money. Proper accounts build trust and show that the business is financially stable. Good accounting increase credibility. Another key role of accounts is legal compliance. Many laws requires business to maintain proper accounts of uh, uh, many laws required businesses to maintain proper books of accounts. Accounting helps fulfill legal required and protects the businesses from the legal issues. Another or the not only the importance for big companies but also for the small business and individuals. Even a small even a small shop owner should maintain the basic record of income and expenses. Personal accounting helps us manage saving expenses and investment better. Accounting also helps in performance evaluations. By comparing financial data of a different period, we can check businesses performance. The helps in identifying strengths and weakness. Continuous elevations lead to improvements. The role of accountant is very important, and accountants ensure that all financial records are accurate and up to date. They analyze data, prepare the record, and support management in decision making. With expenses, with experience, an accountant become a trusted advisor. Uh, in 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 today's world, technology has changed accounting. Accounting software makes work fast and more accurate. Uh, However, basic accounting knowledge is still very important. Software works correctly and when data is entered properly. In In conclusion, accounts are the backbone of every financial system. They provide clarity. They provide clarity, control, and confidence. Learning accounts not only helps in a career growth but also improves financial decision in a life. This is the day 52 of my English practice journey. So thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, and please keep supporting me and keep subscribe my YouTube channel as know you as the reader. So thank you guys once again, you connected with me.